Okay. If I ask you what's the pH range of neutrophil, is that easy? Find it. 5.5 to 8.0. What's an alkaline file? 8.0 to 11.5. Acidophile 0 to 5.5. Okay. pH we mentioned about could generate acid-resistant bacteria, generate cross protection. So it's a challenge for the industry. Temperature related to the enzyme. Is this easy? Not difficult. If it's closed book, you have to remember the range. But if it's open book, right here, if we ask you mesophiles, the minimal maximal temperature range, 20-45 degrees Celsius. Thermophiles, 55 to 85, hyperthermophile, 85 to 113. Cyclotrophs. Okay? Cyclotrophs is important because bacteria grow in the refrigerator temperature is a challenge for food processing for the industry. Water activity. Don't worry too much. We won't test you physics. Okay, we explain to you what's a vapor pressure, what this means. You don't have to really draw those things. It's not a physics class because we let you just know the background. What's water activity means because it is difficult to understand based on the words. Very easily understand it's available of the water for bacteria to grow, to use. So we mentioned about the vapor pressure, what this means. Now, what's the relationship between water activity and relative humidity is relative humidity multiplied by 100. Why they put an E there? It's called equilibrium relative humidity. We talk about water activity because we want to know the halophiles. So which bacteria halophiles? Staphylococcus aureus. So grow optimal 0.2 mole, extreme halophiles 2 mole. It's very important for the category of the bacteria using oxygen. So we said it may be confusing you, but you always remember, must use oxygen, obligate errors. No oxygen, they don't need oxygen, oxygen is toxication. Anaerobic bacteria, most of the pathogen is facultative anaerobes. Then it comes out with some of the stuff like microallophilic, allotolerant. Why we can separate them? Because they may have high amount of sulfide dust mutase because SOD or catalyst. They may not have them at all. Or they may have one or the other at very low level. The idea here is oxygen is a toxin. And we must be removed the toxication generated during bacteria using the oxygen. That's why those two enzymes are important. That's the key. How you cultivation anaerobes? Chamber or using an aerobic jar. The idea is you generate hydrogen, remove oxygen, then generate water. If you do not know the full name of SOD, simple oxidase dust mutase right there, okay, on the top. Biofilm. Biofilm is always on the food contact surfaces. It's a matrix. They going through cell-to-cell communication. It's composed by polysaccharides. The trouble is it will be resistant to the antimicrobial and sanitizer. The reason it comes out because of poor sanitation standard operation procedure. Okay, that's lecture 4 we talk about. Lecture 5 we just reviewed. So that's all. So Thursday, Corey will give a special talk. Next Tuesday, we'll have exam 1 as open book. We will see how you guys do. My idea was to help you. If you did it not good, then exam 2 will more help, which means we'll give you some sample questions, let you practice first. If you all did good, then we'll just keep the same format. Okay, so it's a flexible. We are trying to help everybody from different major of the school to get good grade of the class, and we don't give you that difficult time. Okay. After exam 1, we continue to do exam 2 materials, and certain time we'll spend some time talk about the preparation of the class presentation, which means 2 or 3 of you will be a group. Find the time in the library, we're going to work on that project. Okay, very good.